This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about retail shopping bags, specifically these pattern saving nature paper retail bags. They're both craft and black designs and feature either zigzags or polka dots for a fun, festive look that helps to attract the eye. These strong bags are made with 100% recycled paper. It's a 90 GSM paper, and they feature sturdy handles that are capable of carrying hefty takeout orders without breaking. The rectangle bases allow the bags to stand upright for easy loading. And they're shipped flat, as you can see, and they're easy to pop open when needed. So you can see that's going to make for easy loading, especially when you have large orders with multiple items that you need to get in there and get in there quickly so they can go out the door. They feature beautiful designs for an attractive and also secure option for takeout, meals, but also things like gifts, groceries, or clothes. They're a great option for any retail establishment looking for shopping bags.